Can we simplify design? The more we simplify a design, as you can see, the cheaper it is, saves money. The more thermally efficient it is, so we save money because we save energy. So look at the design. There are times that you may have to go for this, but when you've got transoms and mullions and anything solid like that, like the glazing bars, every time you add something in there, you're losing the values. You're reducing the efficiency of that window. And improve installation, improving the way that we do things and way we improve the way we install these windows, we're going to improve the efficiency of that window as well. Always look at that. Right. Overheating. What is overheating? Overheating is something that overheating is something that is potentially an issue with passive house or thermal efficient house or passive house standards, especially with retrofits, because you're governed to what size windows you can use. Total, what do you take into consideration? Total glazing, 15 to 20%. Maximum 25% of glass on south elevation. This is in proportion to your build. Reduce floor to ceiling glazing. In other words, we're reducing heat. Correction. In other words, we're reducing the height. Use deeper reveals. That means that we can position the window at a different position within the reveal. That way, the further back we come, the better it will be. Use overhanging roof. Yeah, overhanging roof means that if you've got a porch or some way of bringing in a roof for shading, that's what we're going to do. Overheating is something which will be calculated in the PHPP and what you need to achieve or what you need to do to achieve the best results without overheating. But the windows, the size of the windows, the glass and everything plays a big part in this because you don't want to overheat, but you want to get solar gain during the winter. Brise soleil, shading. Shading's really important. That comes in on the overhang roof. The overhang roof would be on the eaves where you've got your wall and your roof and you would be able to overhang that. I've done this many times and it's been in the design where the overhang has been increased to create a shadow. And that's where the brise soleil come in. That is a form of shading, but you still get light through it. The brise soleil basically means it's a frame of wood, metal, plastic, whatever, and it's got slats. Usually those slats will be at a certain angle. Sometimes if they're vertical, they're at a certain depth. And this has been worked out in the PHPP of what they need to achieve. So they can actually be quite attractive, a decorative thing, the brise soleil. Use PHPP. The new PHPP tool, Overheating Risk of PHT website. Passive House website. Has got some really good information and has got lots of leads of ways you can go to achieve what you need. So the PHPP gives you what you will need, but you can use the PHPP tools at the Passive House website.